What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Captain Channel, where we are all things outdoors and travel. So I am camping out for the night here at Black Balsam Knob. It's right off the Blue Ridge Parkway. I am not camping on top of the knob, just because I've camped there before and I wanted to try something different. I've never camped up under the woods like this before, so I just wanted to give it a try. Um, it's pretty chilly right now, I would say. I mean, it's the middle of July and it's still probably hovering right at 60 degrees right now, but we do have some cloud cover. I'm going to hike up for a sunset tonight with the dogs and have some fun and get some good shots in. I still haven't brought the drone up just yet. It was raining earlier and it looked like we might get a little bit of rain here later on as well. But first, I need to gather some wood for tonight's fire. So if you're new to the outdoor world or the camping scene, you might be wondering why I typically go for fallen timber instead of new timber. And it's really primarily two reasons. The first one is I'm kind of a tree hugger. I don't like cutting down stuff if I don't have to. And the second reason is fallen timber is typically dried out a lot faster, or it's already dried out from the sun, because if you cut down new timber, there's typically water that's already held inside of it, and it's kind of hard to burn new timber considering all the water that it has. So fallen timber is going to be your best bet as far as it being dry and being burnable. And if you're wondering the process of fire making or firewood gathering, I start with big items first like this, because whenever I'm starting out cutting, I have a lot of energy, so I'm gonna waste most of my energy cutting down big stuff and hacking through big stuff versus cutting the small stuff that's gonna be like the we would call it the kindle. So I spend most of my energy on the big stuff, so I'll start with that and then I'll work down to the smaller stuff. So yeah, just the more you know. All right, it is 7:30 now. I got all the firewood that I need for the night. It actually cleared up, and it's going to be a pretty good evening tonight. I suspect there's not too many clouds hanging around. Everything's kind of moved off. So what I'm going to do now is hike up to the balls and catch a good sunset. I have I think about an hour and a half left till actual sunset hits. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the hike. All right. Sit. Good girl, good girl. Come on, come on. Good morning, everybody. So last night was a good sleep. There wasn't too many people walking by. There was actually like one or two crowds that was, I don't know if they were doing like a midnight hike, but they were hiking up to the Balds from the parking lot down there. The parking lot's only maybe a half mile down that way, um, which is a cool spot because this is very secluded. It's very pushed back off the trail. It's a great little spot if you want to come on out. And again, this is Black Balsam Knob out about 20 miles, 30 miles outside of south of Asheville, which is pretty cool. So, yeah, again, last night's sleep was good. The only thing was I forgot my sleeping pillow, but other than that, it was a great sleep. Um, so I'm about to pack up now and head back after a good sunrise, and I have a lot to do today. The dogs need a bath, obviously. They are dirty, but they had a good time, so that's all that matters. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna stop it right here, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe if you like outdoor and travel content, and turn on notifications for the channel so you stay up to date with all of our future videos. And guys, we will see you in the next one, but always remember, hiking is about the journey and it should be enjoyed. Peace out.